Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to block an email address in Gmail, how to block a sender. Let's get into it. There is two ways. If you already received an email from the person from the email address that you like to block, you simply open this message and you click on the three dots in the email. And here you can see the option to block this person. Now, I don't actually want to block this person, but for viewing purposes, you can click here and you can click on block. Then the next option, if you don't have the email from this person yet, or maybe you lost it, maybe you archived it, you go to the gear icon on top and you click on see all settings. You go to filters and blocked addresses, and here you can also see the addresses that you have already blocked. And now we're going to include a new one. Click on create a new filter and you type in the email address, the sender that you want to block. So let's create an email here and tap on create filter. Now you can select for this email to skip the inbox, so to automatically archive it so you never see it, or you can select the option to delete it. We're gonna tap delete it and tap on create filter. And that's that. Two ways to block someone from preventing to go into your inbox, either to delete it, to block the address. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, it would mean a lot to me if you would put the thumbs up or if you want to subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you next time.